I can't say that.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. And today's topic, if nakita nyo sa title on YouTube or Spotify, is ano ba yung chances ng Barangay Ginebra to actually
Yeah.
winning the whole Governor's Cup Championship? And this is because this is after the Game 2 win of Barangay Ginebra. They're up 2-0 against Meralco. It could change anytime soon, but remove that. But ano ba ang realistic chances ng Barangay Ginebra? Mario, ano yung sinabi mo about Allen Durham? Pwede mo naman share dito eh.
Bro, pag ako si Allen right now, bro, I'm so tired of this Justin Brownlee guy,
So,
pare. Kung ako si Allen, isipin mo yun, 8 years ago, tinirahan siya ng Tres for the first championship of Ginebra
yun
in how
pwede pa
many
eh.
years?
Pwede mo pa i-convince
Oo.
sarili mo, hindi, tsamba lang.
Tapos, 8 years later, babalik kayo at the same time, well, not at the same time, JB's been here, pero babalik ka for the first time in a while, tapos
After
titirahan
four
ka ulit,
years, titirahan ka ulit ang ganun. Step
titirahan ka
back pa.
ulit ng ganun.
Step back, Rika.
Oo. Sige, hindi buzzer beater, congrats, pero titirahan ka ulit ng ganyan ni JB, parang, dude, I'm a big fan of Alan Durham. I genuinely thought he played so well today. Grabe yung laro niya today against Ginebra. As in binubugbog niya lahat sa ilalim and everything. Pero grabe yun, man. Yung JB. Iba talaga yung JB. Iba yung JB. Hindi ko alam.
Yeah, grabe si Justin Brownlee. And the fact na he got the rebound, he got a block. Remember that sequence? He got the block
Yeah.
on Durham. Siya yung nagbaba. Nakita niya si Durham bantay niya.
Oo.
Hindi
Sabi
man
niya,
lang siya
teka lang.
hindi,
Sabi
akin
niya,
na to.
teka.
That's just,
Usog. Ako na to. Walang play-play. Give me the ball. Ako na to.
tabi, Scotty,
Sabi.
Mav, tabi.
Usog. Akin na to. Pero okay, I think we have to bring up the reality.
Medyo
I don't think
nakagago yung nangyari din, bro.
that
Medyo
the
nakagago yung nangyari.
yung reality, bro, sa totoo lang, di dapat natalo yung Baral ko dyan.
Mirago should have not won
Free
that game.
throws,
I should
man.
have
Free
not
throws.
lost that game. Yeah, free throws.
Free
You have the
throws.
stats? I sent you the stats.
Yeah, I saw. Chris missed two big ones in the last 3 or 4 minutes. Allen missed one as well. Those, and how many points did they lose by? One. Ayun.
That was by one. They're 15
Exactly.
for 30. They shot 50%
Hindi
from
pwede yun.
the. That's not
Hindi
gonna work.
pwede yun.
Ano, against a
Hindi
Tim
pwede yun.
Cone-led team
Oo.
na
Dude,
medyo
against
kontrapelo sa inyo.
Yeah, and I don't know, dude. I think we all assumed na Meralco finally exercised their demons, di ba? Against the Ginebra team. They were finally able to beat them last conference win or last
All
conference.
feel, yeah, basta walang Brownlee. The
Yeah,
non-Brownlee
and then now
conferences.
the Brownlee conference is back, and ayun, look at those free throws, dude. 15 for 30. Ang sakit nun. Quinto missing four. You Newsome missing four.
Ang dami
You
na ng
can't
point
you can't
blank
have those.
shots. 'Di ba? Ang dami na ng point blank
Yeah.
shots nung end game na. I
Nung
think
dulo.
the presence of Brownlee then kind of messed them up kasi Brownlee's a good defender. He's a sneaky defender. It's not like
Yeah.
other imports na RHJ na two-way guy
Alam mo.
talaga.
Yeah. And at this point, if you're Meralco, I think you really feel like you lost your chance at
Really?
taking. No, I
You
mean
feel like
this has to be a gut punch to them, pare. Kasi
mm,
na five fouls mo si Chapit eh. And
actually you had
na
it going
five
for you.
fouls mo si Chaps. You had the paint going for you. It just so happened na walang pumasok sa dulo. And again that man Brownlee just hit another insane, and let's not pretend like that's the only shot he hit. He hit two shots before that. He hit the fadeaway over Chris, the crossover against, I think that was Quinto or Hodge, and ayun, and then he set up Mav for the 3-pointer din, diba? So
Mhm.
a lot of the offense in the end came from um JB and Ginebra. I will not count Meralco out yet just because these two games for Meralco were both very winnable, pare. Like super duper winnable, especially this one. You just need to hit your fucking free throws, man.
Fucking
Imagine, isipin mo yun,
15 for
15 of
30,
30
bro.
ka ano yung Ginebra? 17 for
77%.
2.
17 for 22.
Isipin mo yun, 15 for 30 ka. You just needed one. You needed one to force overtime. you needed two to win the game or at least put pressure on that. Ayun, I know that's not really how it works, but imagine if you made just maybe two or three more, this outcome is so different for Meralco. Quick shout out also to this man, RJ Abarientos. Grabe
He
yung
turned it up
rookie.
no fourth quarter. He turned it up in the
Grabe
fourth.
yung
He was
rookie
quiet
na yun.
first to third quarter.
Dude, this guy's not a rookie. This guy's great. The
On
balls.
paper lang. Rookie lang on
Oo.
paper.
Yung bayag tumira ng mga tinitira niya. Dude, they were down 3 when RJ tied the game, diba? I think there was a
Tira lang
point in
siya.
the game.
Like, he got that
Bro,
separation. No alam
yeah.
mong the pressure of that the moment, hindi na siya na
Wala
sisindak.
na yun sa kanya.
Considering he also played in a foreign, I think yun yung mga how playing in a foreign country helps you. Na
Agree.
yung resolve mo just really gets on.
Agree,
Really
agree.
just gets better.
I agree. And yun, di siya rookie. Let's be real. Di siya rookie. At this point, if you want to call him a rookie, he's better be a super rookie at this point. Kasi this guy has so many games of Hinebra. Siya yung tumitira eh. like at the end, siya lang yung tumitira. And wala.
Shout out to Scotty rin, bro. Like, Scotty Thompson has redeemed himself from the last conference na. In not the way he
Yeah,
redeemed, because he was injured. More of he has shown this
napatunayan
conference na
ulit niya.
I'm healthy. I can take
Yeah,
the big shot. Did you see that step back? Yung parang side step three, yung parang Tatum na ginawa niya.
gumana.
Or basta he had that three, sabi ko, shit, this Scotty Thompson's healthy, confidence is there. Iba yung galaw niya ngayon compared to
Yeah,
last conference na very gingerly. And parang hindi to
yeah,
si Scotty, hindi to si Scott. Parang 5 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Last conference was 2 now na parang, oh,
yeah.
these are his numbers. More than pa nga eh. He doesn't score more than 15. Always like 19 siya today eh.
Yeah.
So alam mong
And yeah,
everybody's clicking for Hinebra.
pati yung defense niya against the guards of Meralco, malaking bagay din yun. But napapagod si Chris, napapagod si Bong. And again, this goes back to, kitang-kita mo na how much Meralco misses the likes of Alain Maliksi and Aaron Black.
Yun nga, babalik tayo dun na the
Yeah,
Maliksi effect.
Maliksi and Black effect. Dude, wala. Yun yung main options mo of the bench eh. So, sobrang, let's call a spade a spade. Your, 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 your depth for Meralco right now isn't really great. I'm not. That's not for me to shit on. That's not for me to say that what's his name? That Andrew Karam isn't a good point guard. Andrew Karam is a very good point guard, but you need more off the bench if you're Meralco. Almazan is still very injured. He had what 4 minutes? He played. Yeah, here according to this,
Amazon,
he played four
only
minutes.
3 minutes and 40. So
Yeah,
alam mong
sino
may
mo yung,
iniinda pa eh.
eh,
Hindi naman ganyan yung laro si Amazon. 20 minutes. Matik
sino mo
yun.
to? Look at the lineup, dude. Durham 41 minutes, Newsome 36,
36.
Hodge Quinto 40 each, Banquero 35. Ano yun? Yung mga pinalaro mo, yung main five mo naglaro for 3/4 of the game.
They usually
I
don't do that, especially
I
in last
mean,
conference. It's
yeah,
their depth that made them special last season, last
exactly.
conference eh.
Yeah, and well, Hinebra plays the same way. Hinebra, Brownlee did only rested for 2 minutes. Scotty only rested
Sanay
for
na yan.
10.
Sanay
Yeah,
na yan sa
pero this
Gilas,
is
ganyan din.
normal Hinebra, right?
Oh.
Nobody else was gonna get minutes on
So in
Hinebra.
a way, they're playing to Hinebra's style of play
Yeah,
kasi when
because
Meralco is forced to play beyond their usual
play,
minutes. So
yeah,
napapagod, hindi sanay.
yeah. Sila Mav, sila JB, buong conference na sila naglalaro ng 40 minutes eh. eh they've had no Malonzo, they've had no Jeremiah for so long. And and their bench depth hasn't really been the best recently. Sobrang sanay na ng team na to maglaro ng matagal na minutes. So Meralco is playing into that game for Hinebra, and you can see it. To be fair, medyo makita mo yun sa dulo. Meralco had no legs in their free throws, bro.
Yeah.
Meralco, no legs in the shots either. Ayun. It was really
You
just
can say it's nerves, you can say, but in a way, fatigue has played
fatigue
a
na rin yun.
factor.
Yeah, dude. And again, shout out to Alan Durham. How many did he have? This guy had 39. This guy
39,
had
14.
39. Let's be real. Alan Durham doesn't necessarily score that many points. It's really just that he can score, pero this is probably the best game you're getting out of Allen this series.
Sa
And
taba.
this is probably the
Nag-game
worst
winner
game
ka na naman.
this is the worst game you're gonna get out of Japet in the entire series. And you still lost. Ang bigat nun. Ang bigat nun. For Meralco, you gotta start looking at um how to get those bench players to provide a bit more. Yung
Tama.
Brandon Bates na
9 minutes
nagpaki
lang eh.
yeah, dude, 'di
9 minutes.
ba
But he
last
had
week we
seven
talked
points, so
about it.
seven. Yeah.
We talked about it last conference, 'di ba? Na against Ginebra, Bates was so good. Brandon was so
Yes.
good last conference, and
Mm.
now he can barely sniff the floor.
Why do you
You
think
have
so?
to
Is it because of Durham or is it because of a matchup thing with Barangay Ginebra?
to be fair kasi, ang nangyari was last conference, ang daling bantayan ng Ginebra. And because wala
All
silang
Filipino eh.
spacing.
All
All Filipino,
Filipino.
si Stan yun eh. Alam nga
Si
naman,
Scotty may iniinda din. So that's one
yeah.
less option. Walang
Oh,
RJ Abarientos last
wala ka pang
season.
Abarientos nun.
Wala ka Stephen Holt last season.
Oo.
So parang si
Tapos
Ahan
yung
Misi yun
Malonzo
parang
mo na
holy shit.
injure. Maya mo na injure. You had to deal with Japet, but Japet at that point was basically second fiddle to C-Stand, and C-Stand was primarily in the paint. That's why
Mm.
Brandon Bates is so good at defending in the paint. But now that he has to go outside and actually defend guards and Japet, who has a very good mid-range shot, nakikita mo dito na medyo dyan nawawala si Brandon. But you need to find more time for him, I think. You need to find way more well, it's hard. It's admittedly quite hard. Kasi Meralco's depth is really not that deep right now. Without Maliksi and Aaron Black, who are you looking to off the bench? Jolo, Anjo. Not to say na they aren't necessarily the best scorers in the league, diba? So you
Mm.
need something else off the bench from Meralco, and
Yeah,
it
man.
doesn't. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you go ahead. Go.
Sorry, it doesn't help that Ralph Koo decided that he's a basketball player again. Parang nakalimutan. Parang nakalimutan niya kasi nung regular season paano maglaro. Tapos ngayon, na playoffs na naalala na niya na, oo nga pala, shooter nga pala ako sa labas. This is what Coach Tim trusted me to do. Ayun. So, he's hit what? Three. He hit a big three again kanina. He's hit he's hit four threes in this entire series, di ba? And I can arguably say na all four of those threes were in crucial moments of the game. So, shout out. Ginebra right now just looks like they're poised to move on. I think to the next round.
You not tingin mo, like tingin mo Hinebra in four? Or you think they're gonna sweep Meralco with the way it's looking like? You
I
think
don't think they're gonna sweep. I don't think they're gonna sweep. Probably in four, maybe in four,
maybe in four? Meralco
maybe in
might be able
four.
to has to get the next one in
They have
order
to
to
get.
get
Oh, I mean for sure, duh. But I mean, again, I feel like if you're, ikaw yung Meralco, ito yung best chance mo na manalo.
ito nga yun. Kala ko, ano na eh, 1-1 na eh.
Kala
Wala
ko
sa
panalo
point,
na rin
kala
eh.
ko, panalo na Meralco. Okay, mukhang game 3. Like,
Yeah,
it's
akala
a
ko
best of
panalo
3
na rin yun.
series na.
I
Now
agree.
they have
Akala
to
ko
win the
panalo na yung
next,
Meralco
they have
dito.
to win the next 3, man. What a
Yeah,
fucking,
that's just
that's
so
so
hard to do.
hard. Against Ginebra pa. Na
Against a
all
coach
the
Tim
moment,
led Ginebra. Mm.
and the momentum heading towards,
Totoo.
already,
Totoo.
they're already on that momentum.
So, yeah. So, kind of going back to the main topic ng video, where do we see
Mm-mm.
Ginebra go? Where do I see Ginebra going? At this point, I think most probably kasi SMB yung katapat nila, no? Ay, tama ba?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait. Semifinals. Wait, so quarters kasi, yeah, kaano nila yung SMB. So they're gonna face SMB. Oh
You.
shit. That's why they
You.
brought in Jody Vance. That's why there's a Jody
You.
Vance.
You. As
Japet's
good as
gonna
Ginebra has looked,
Japet and Joe. Sino ba big man nila? Raymond Aguilar will utilize all their fouls in
yeah,
stopping Junmar.
Maub. Yeah, and the new import of SMB looks pretty okay. Ah.
And he's
Mabigat din. Mabigat din.
he's ano tawag dito? He's also an inside guy pero ang liksi, ang hirap
Yeah,
bantayan ng ganun. That's a foul
yeah.
magnet.
Foul magnet siya, yeah, exactly.
Mm.
2-0 na rin sila, no?
2-0, sure naman. It's you know naman it's gonna be SMB,
Feels,
man.
feels,
Like
feels,
you know
feels
it's
pretty
gonna
good.
be SMB who's gonna move up to the semifinals.
I'd give,
Eh,
actually, baka SMB pa rin ako dun.
yes, kasi the big man
The big man
rotation of
problem, yeah.
Ralphko has to do like Ralphko has to be the X factor. No, he has to do something. He has
Akala ko si
to.
Ralph kung papabantay mo kay Junmar, sabi
No,
mo.
no, 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 no. I'm saying that Ralphko could be an X factor. Na how do you change the series? Can you try bring up Junmar? Is he gonna be utilized at all?
Yeah.
Kasi alam naman natin na Joe Devance is only gonna play 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Ralph
And
Koo is a floor spacer. Yes, he's only a 6'4" floor spacer, but he could bring out their import. See,
yeah,
forgetting the name.
as a what?
Letter O. Basta
Yeah,
basta
so
yung bagong import na SMB. And pero can you just imagine? We were saying na I was saying inamin ko na yung prediction natin I thought it was gonna be Meralco in 5. Our episode 3-4 days ago. Where did you pick Jin over
yeah, I did
Meralco?
pick Jin. I did pick Jin.
Okay, so ako nag-Meralco in 5 ako. So
Yeah, I
most
did pick Jin.
likely hindi mangyayari yun, but who knows, right? We
Who
may have
knows?
jinxed
Yeah,
it tonight. That's it. Tayo at the end of the day, kung umabot man ng Meralco in 5, it's a great win for us fans because that's a epic series kung umabot
that's
man
an
ng game
epic
5.
series. Epic series.
And
Sobra.
in a way that exercises all the demons of Alan Durham.
Yeah, yeah. But
Tangina,
grabe talaga.
uwi ako para maganito.
Grabe talaga. I want to just bring up yung ibang series. First of all, yung Ross Mag series
Oh yeah,
has
let's go through it.
completely
Let's
turned.
go through it.
That shit has completely turned because of the possible injury to Aaron Fuller.
Did you see
That
the replay? Parang
yeah,
gumanon yung
yeah, I saw
kitang-kita
it.
na
I saw it.
parang ganon eh. Sabi ko,
Kita-kita yung delinya. I don't want to say intentional or unintentional. I'm not
yeah,
in a
we
position to say that. Pero the fact na injured si Aaron
Aaron
right
Fuller.
now, malaking bagay na yun for us. Kasi the whole conference, you've relied on Aaron Fuller to be your rebounder and big man.
He gets
Now
you
what?
15 plus a game.
Yeah.
Nawala yun.
Now what? Unless
Nawawala
he
yun.
can come back, which I don't know what Dave's talked about. Pero,
Pero I told you, di
uh,
ba, Mario? Like,
yeah, you
guys, sabihin
talked
ko na sa
about
inyo
it.
yung sinabi ko kay Marius. Share ko na rin sa audience, no? Um, so, di ba, sabi sa report na blind daw si Aaron Fuller. So, the only way that a guy like Aaron Fuller could be blinded by a thing like that, ibig sabihin na may retinal detachment. So, nagka-retinal detachment daw, which will require surgery. And it's not the kind of surgery na you can come back the next day. You have to let that heal or else gagalaw na naman yan. So that means that could be that could possibly
That's the series.
mean missing the series. 5 games lang to eh. So
Every other day
this
pa.
is and if you play without an import, as Jabari Bird looks like the fucking
Jabari Bird looks like
Kevin looks like
Jabari
a
Bird.
fucking Kevin Durant. Yung mga ano niya, you saw how he plays,
Jabari
right?
Bird looks like
Parang
Jabari Bird.
Kevin Durant of the PBA. Sabi ko, gago, wala
Sabi
talagang
ka na.
pag-asa Ross dyan.
Yeah, you unless Ross can find an import. Uy, mali mo si Kwa. Ah, hindi, Kwame is in France.
No, Kwame's with Meralco na. He's practicing na eh, with
Kwame is in
EASL.
Meralco? Ah,
Yeah,
EASL,
EASL. He's
EASL, EASL.
preparing na. I doubt
Sorry.
napapahiram yan. Eh, what if ma-injure si Kwame?
Yeah, I doubt papahiramin na yun.
Pero, di natin alam. Because he also played with
He
Ross
has played with
no
Ross. That's what I was
Bronze
thinking.
Cup. So, kaya ba sa pakausapan ng Ross yan na
Yeah, just play with us
pwede
for
ba
a
na
bit, yeah.
mahiram?
And that's a
That's gonna
good,
take negotiations.
yeah, that's a decent enough replacement for Aaron Fuller. That's a big man who grabs the
Dude, I'll take
rebound.
Ange. I'll take Ange. I like
I'll take
Ange.
Ange to, I mean, if
Oh,
anybody
as a
can, it would be
replacement.
Ange.
Nandito
Yeah,
na rin sa Pilipinas eh.
yeah, exactly. But we're not saying na si Andrew replacement, guys. We're just
Oh, sinasabi lang, nagbibigay lang kami ng
yeah,
hypothetical.
we're
So,
just
sino pa
throwing
ba?
out hypotheticals.
Nalala mo si Nick Evans? Sabi mo
Oh
yung
my God,
jokes
oh,
ko.
si Nick Evans.
I
Oh,
don't know. He was just right. Pero Saxton, sa Panalay si Nick Evans lagi nasa Panalay, Mario. He's in
nagkano
Panalay.
siya panalo sa Philippines? Taga ba?
Lagi siyang
Oh,
kinukuha. Si
well,
Nick
he's big,
Evans.
man. He's a big, he can shoot.
Sa 6'10". Wait. Ay, wait. Ange cannot play.
Bakit?
6'6" lang yung height limit.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're
So,
right.
hindi siya pasok sa height limit.
Oo nga
So,
pala, oo nga pala. Oo nga pala.
who can you bring? Like, I don't know. Kung sino. Pero
I
sabi
don't
ni
know.
Coach, mahirap na daw mag-integrate ng bagong import. I see it. So guys, scratch what we said. No, you forgot na may height limit nga pala.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yung Magnolia nga, nag-integrate ng bagong import. Yung Jabari Bird.
every game bago.
Oo nga. So, ayan. So, a lot of these series are kind of turning right now, diba?
Pero
Many
tama yung guess
people,
natin sa NXT TNT series na it's gonna be close.
oh yeah,
Na
this guy, Jones,
DJ Bro,
grabe
I've
talaga.
been telling you, Daquan Jones is
This
legit.
guy is a baller. I swear, he's a
Sabi, did you see how Kelly
baller.
Williams flew when he
Yeah,
just drove? Like, no, wala si Kelly
this
Williams
guy's
sa
a
TV. Sabi, wow.
baller. And like, the RHJ free throws, that was a moment as
Pero
well.
for me, RHJ was never a great free throw shooter. Like,
Sabi, hindi
yes, he's
naging
an
okay.
amazing player. Pero I kind of expected that he will miss one out of the four. So I was like,
He missed
okay, it's
two.
Drew coming. Yeah,
Yeah.
no, the last one he intentionally
He
missed it so that he
intentionally,
could
yeah.
get. So takot ako dun. Kasi
Mm.
tangina, rebound. Tapos buti may free throw violation. Eh, that was gonna be for the
That
tie.
was
Di ba
straight
na?
to, he had it. He had it. He already had it. He made the layup. Oh, he
He
also
made
made
the
the layup.
layup. So nung
Yeah.
nagpito, sabi ko, pucha, don't tell me end one pa. And then, lane violation.
Yeah. Ayun. So that series is a lot closer than we all think right now.
No, I thought it's
The
gonna be
Raw
close.
I didn't. The Ross Mags one has
That
turned
was
because of the injury to Fuller. And
complete 180.
the only series that I think we all expected to go this way is SMB
Converge.
Converge. We all
Although I didn't
expected it to
expect it to
go
be this close. I didn't expect it na
yung
closing
games
game sila.
mismo. Yeah,
Oo.
I get it. I get it. Ayun. So SMB Con has been like the most accurate prediction of ours so far na it will be maybe SMB in 3, max 4. Yung Jin Mare, akala ko talaga ano yun.
Although we did
Jin
give,
tapos Mare.
nagbigay tayo ng disclaimer na Alain Maliksi has to play in order for the series to shift. Di ba sabi ko,
Yeah.
Meralco in 5, assuming na Alain Maliksi enters in game 3 or later or sooner. But
Can
there's
Elaine
no,
play?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I don't see any articles kasi diba, I mean, the PBA is not obligated naman or the teams are not
Yeah,
obligated to share with us. And like in the NBA na it's obligated that you have to share how long your injury, diba? They have that injury
yeah.
report that comes out every morning.
Yeah.
Walang walang ganun sa BBA, so umaasa tayo sa mga articles ng writers and everything or inside people, but I don't hear anything na if Alain's gonna play. So
You need
if he's
somebody
not
from
gonna play, it looks like it's Jin. I have to change considering na ano ba yung pieces that we're looking at. And
you need someone from Meralco to come in and step up right now. You need somebody, or you could just get one of them to step up. You could have Alvin Pasacol take some more shots or something. I don't know.
Bongkito played horrible kanina. He played 40 minutes, only had what? Dami niyang
Yeah,
well, he was off today. Sobrang off niya today. Si
wait lang,
Bong
hindi ko
Quinto,
check.
ito. Quinto had, ayun, Kierjon. Saan ko ba si Bong? Kierjon. 7 points, sorry, tanga. 8 points and 8 rebounds. Pwede, pero
You need more.
maybe
I think
Bong
you need
14 to 16 kasi wala nang iba eh.
here.
You have to replace
You
the
need yeah. You need way more from Chris Banquero. You cannot have Chris Banquero coming out with 3 points. There's no chance Meralco can win a game
yeah,
with
Chris
Chris
Banquero
Banquero
play.
having 3 points. Okay, no chance in hell they win a game like that. You need more than 8 points from Bong Quinto. You're getting so much from Cliff Hodge, dude. Admittedly, you're getting so much from Cliff Hodge. Na you need Chris Banquero and Bong Quinto to come in um and turn up. That's their best
Cliff
opportunity.
Hodge is their MVP so far, like aside from Durham. Like at least in this series, Cliff Hodge has been showing
Yeah,
up.
I agree. Kasi kung tutuusin mo, Brownlee versus Durham, equal
Kontra,
naman yung
ano na
output
yun?
nila eh.
Ano na yun?
Yeah,
Cancel out. Cancel out
exactly.
sila.
Yung sa local
Nunu.
lang nagkakatalo. And as of right
Oh.
now, the locals of Ginebra are outplaying the locals of Meralco by a lot.
Imagine mo kanina, ang pangit na nga ng laro ni Steven Holt. Wait lang, tama ba ako? Pangit laro ni Steven. Yan, di ba? 6 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 for 3 lang. He only attempted 3 shots. Tapos talo pa rin kayo. Like,
I mean, to be
di ba,
fair,
parang
at this point, I think Stephen has become more of a defensive stopper for Ginebra.
at least in this role, kaya nasasira siguro laro ni na Banquero.
So, yeah, I think that's why Banquero's
Ginawa
having
siya, okay, disrupt Banquero.
yeah, yeah, they've again though, you need more lang talaga. You really need more. If you're Chris Banquero, you have to take these matchups personally. I don't. In the first game also, I think he had not the best game either. Bong missed some threes in the first game that would have been big for Meralco. He really needs more from Chris Banquero and Bong Quinto for you to have a chance to come back in the series. Or you get the miraculous return of Alain Maliksi.
Uh, I'll see if I can message someone
Mm.
if babalik ba si Alain for my ano lang naman, personal note.
Yung yung thing ko is with Raymond Almazan. Parang hindi talaga parang hindi na talaga kaya maglaro, 'di ba? I think he's too in. He's only playing 4 minutes a game. What's the use of those 4 minutes? Uh, pag ganun, I feel like you can kind of uh maybe trust more Raymar Jose. Kasi si Jose may skill naman yun. Hindi naman yun bunong-bunong tao. And we're not gonna pretend like outside of Japet Aguilar, Hinebra has any notable bigs after. So
Mm-mm.
you gotta trust your bigs a bit more. The Bateses, the Raymar Joses. Your starters are going toe to toe with these with the well, your starters are going toe to toe with Ginebra. You need that X factor of a player. Yung sa Ginebra yung X factor nila, I think we can say is RJ Abarientos or Ralph Koo. Uh, for Meralco, it has to be Chris Banquero or Bong Quinto.
It also helps na Ahan Messi has gotten his groove back in a way. He's playing 30
Yeah.
minutes a game. Because last conference, bigla nagiging 10 lang yan, 14. Or parang nawala yung confidence si Coach
Yeah.
Tim sa kanya. And he was getting kind of bashed for it by
Di
the
na siya,
Ginebra Fit.
yeah. Di na siya pilit eh.
Yeah, because
It
there's
felt,
so much other people
yeah.
na who can take the load off him. Kasi last conference, sa kanya nakatingin.
Sa
Kasi
kanya lahat nakatingin, yeah.
aside from C-stand, sino pa gagawa? Eh, injured na nga si Scotty.
Yeah,
Kasi
exactly.
Japet was not used to that role what he's playing yet now. So parang
Yeah.
si Mav yung supposed to be that guy to
Yeah.
play in the perimeter. So, well, let's see. So for me, if ganito, if Ginebra beats SMB, sila feel ko sila champs. They have to beat
Mm.
SMB. If they beat SMB, dire-diretso na yan. Pero SMB will be a formidable opponent, and the fact that that was their loss, the biggest loss in franchise history. Of course, it's gonna play in their heads. You want some revenge
Yeah.
factor, pero in a way,
Okay.
SMB counters what
Yeah.
Nebras.
Okay,
Sila yung...
let's reset. Let's reset. Let's go
Oh,
through each
sige.
series and let's go who we're gonna repredict 2 days after we posted the,
Oh, sige, sige, sige. Yeah, we can ano naman
let's
recalibrate. Like,
repredict.
kasi the injuries play a factor eh.
Yeah,
Ay,
okay.
ini-expect ko nga dun sa prediction natin na may Alain Maliksi. So, okay, game. Saan muna? NLEX TNT muna. NLEX in 5 pa rin.
TNT and 4 pa rin.
TNT in 4
TNT.
ka, okay.
Nothing
Ano
changes
next
to anything.
series? Ano next series?
Ru- Converge
No, no,
SMB,
no, 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 no. Ross, sorry. Ross versus ano muna? Yung
Magnolia,
magka-bracket. Ross versus Magnolia.
Magnolia,
Magnolia in
Magnolia,
4. Feel
Magnolia
ko
and 4.
makaisa. I have to recalibrate. I'm sorry. Pag walang Aaron Fuller, I feel like,
Pag walang Aaron Fuller, I think it's just too hard for Ross. Pag walang Aaron Fuller, pag walang
pag
Aaron
walang
Fuller.
Aaron Fuller. But if he makes a comeback, di Ross in 5 pa rin ako.
Yeah, same.
SMB coverage, SMB in 3.
SMB din. Ginebra Meralco, Ginebra probably in 4, 3, one of those two. Then from
Mm,
there it becomes uh TNT slash NLEX versus Mags. I think that would go towards TNT. Between all those three, ha?
TNT has their number. TNT has the mags. Pero iba, hindi si Jabari Bird yung kalaban. So let's see. But
Oh,
RHJ can neutralize a Jabari Bird. Feel ko,
grabe yung
RHJ is
grabe.
the perfect wing to
Yeah,
guard Bird.
anybody. Actually, it's the perfect
RHJ
wing to
can,
guard everybody.
RHJ won a championship over JB. Like, let's not forget
Yeah.
that. But with Mikey Williams, yun.
There was
So,
a Mikey Williams. Yeah, I was gonna
uh,
say now.
you
Let's
had, you had
not
another
forget
you
Mikey
had another
Williams was
import.
hitting
Meron isa pang
the
import.
shots, man.
Okay, wait. So sorry. So TNT ka over Mag in TNT in 4.
I'd say
Ikaw
around
yun, ikaw
3.
yun. Ako NLEX ako, 'di ba? I had NLEX
Yeah,
moving on.
yeah. So
Um
okay, in NLEX versus Mags, where do you still go
NLEX in
NLEX
5,
there?
bro. NLEX
NLEX
in
in 5
5.
go pa rin? Okay, sige lang. Sige, go. I believe in you. Sige, let's go.
It's my
Okay.
podcast. I say whatever I want.
Sige, go.
NLEX in
Jin
5
SMB. Uh, baka SMB pa rin ako. Baka
in 5
SMB pa.
or 4.
Mag- Uh, size is gonna be the problem. I think that still goes SMB's way, but I would have no complaints if it goes in Ebra's way. And
SMB
then
in 5
finals,
ako.
I'd go SMB in 5 as well. I think so.
So
And then
in
finals,
in your finals, it's SMB and TNT.
TNT.
Ganda nun, ah.
SMB. SMB.
Pero SMB yun, bro. Who's gonna guard
SMB.
Junmar sa TNT? I
SMB.
mean, Erams back,
Remember
pero
na, Kelly can defend to a certain extent.
hindi na kaya, bro. Tayo, lumilipad
Uy,
na.
may kalinato sila. Don't sleep on my boy Henry. That
Henry
boy
only
is
plays,
big. He's a big
he's just there.
body, bro. Pacific
He's just
Valley.
there to get the fouls. Taga ano lang
Yeah.
siya.
Yeah.
So
Anyways,
SMB will be back on the mountain top for you.
as of right now, that's how I see it. Yeah. SMB or
Yeah,
Ginebra. I think right now it's
so,
either
so
SMB
yung
or Ginebra.
finals ko, NLEX versus SMB. Di SMB in 3.
Eh,
So,
pero umabot
umabot
sa
ng
final.
finals. May bonus ba ako? Remains to be seen.
yung ano, yung thing ko is whoever comes out of the Ginebra SMB series, I think wins the championship.
Yeah, I mean, the SMB.
That, that's
Anyway,
the
yeah, that's
how I
how we're
feel
gonna
about
end it.
it. Yeah.
Thanks so much, Mario. I'll have this uploaded ASAP, and let us know if you think Ginebra has a chance to win a championship, or if you feel SMB or a different team. Let us know. Thanks so much again, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, and then follow on Spotify. 5-star rating there. Thanks, Mario. See you on Monday.
See you.